Hey guys, today we're making beef
and potato tacos.
And these beef and potato tacos are so delicious. They're made with flavorful ground beef, some potatoes, and lots of melted cheese. And pair it with your favorite toppings, and you're gonna have a delicious weeknight meal that you're going to wanna add to your meal rotation. Okay, so Aaron and Bradley have no school today, so they're gonna help me out with this recipe. And this is actually one of your favorite recipes, right? Beef and potato tacos, go ahead.
And because it's spring break.
And it is spring break, but you're gonna see this after because I have a lineup of videos. But anyways, they'll be in school by the time you guys see this. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get started on our seasonings. We have 2 teaspoons of chili powder.
Okay.
And then 2 teaspoons of cumin.
What do you put in there?
Yes.
Fun fact, I actually put cumin in my pancakes.
Oh God, I have to tell that story later. But yes, we make cumin, kind of like chili favorite buttery pancakes instead of sweet ones. Okay, so this is 1.5 teaspoons of paprika.
Oh, wait.
And 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. And then you wanna mix it until it's well combined. Go ahead and mix. So how this recipe came about is I made a taco dip recipe, which is like a cold dip and you eat it with chips. But my hubby and Aaron ate it. They stuffed it in the tortilla and they ate it as a taco. And they kind of said it tasted like a taco supreme. So I wanted to make a warm version of that. And I did add potatoes, so it's kind of similar yet different. Okay, so this is all mixed up and this will be our tacos, our seasoning for our beef and potatoes.
Say something now?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Do you know where my daddy is? He's at work.
He's at work. Well, we're making a delicious meal for him, right?
Yeah.
Isn't he lucky? We're making him lunch.
this?
Okay, so I have a block of sharp cheddar cheese here. Instead of adding cold shredded cheese to your taco like normally do, I like to melt it. So what I'm gonna do after I cook the potatoes up and the beef, I'm gonna top it with all the cheese and then put it under the broiler and get it nice and melted. Okay, so you wanna go ahead and shred the cheese, Aaron?
Ew.
Just push down. Actually, it's better to do it this way. You watch your fingers, watch your fingers.
Oh, yeah.
Do it this way and just make sure you don't touch this with your fingers. So it's kind of crumbling up. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but I put it in my fridge drawer and for some reason the temperature is a lot lower there and the block of cheese actually froze. So after you freeze cheese, when you shred it, it tends to crumple more than shred. Crumble? Crumble. Crumble, not crumble. Is it crumble or crumble? Yes. Okay, you can. And it tends to crumble more than shred. So it's all gonna melt at the end and it's gonna taste the same at the end, so it doesn't really matter.
And I'm also 5 years old.
And he's also 5 years old, yes.
He's like 5 years. And
He's 5 years and 2 months, right?
yeah.
5 years and 2 months. You know, it's all about being older at this age. Like when you get to my age, you wanna be younger, not older.
Oh, wait a minute.
You're doing great.
Oh, look at all that cheese.
Okay.
All that mashed.
Oh, not the small one, just stick to the big one. So you want about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. You could also buy the pre-shredded ones, but I like to buy blocks of cheese and just shred it myself. And I think it's even cheaper that way.
Wait a minute.
What?
And I'm also playing with Play-Doh.
I should have a sponsor for my video.
I mean,
Some type of cheese sponsor. If you want to sponsor me in my videos, you can.
Yeah.
That's what my son is requesting.
I have no idea what I requested. I completely.
No, that's actually a good idea.
Does it when you're
Make
gone.
mama some money. Okay, are you done shredding up the cheese? Okay.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and grab the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so for our beef and potato tacos, we are also going to be needing 1 pound of ground beef. I have some minced garlic here. I have a diced onion. I have an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce that I mixed with 1 cup of water here. And then I have 2 potatoes that I went ahead and quickly peeled up and diced into small pieces. We love adding potatoes to our tacos. It adds texture. And I also like to add them to our breakfast burritos. And I did cut them up nice and small just so it cooks up a lot faster and it'll be easy to stuff our tacos with them. Anyways, I'm really excited to share with you guys this recipe. Say hi to Woody. Meet me over at the stove. Come on, Woody, help me out. All right, so I have my skillet heated to medium-high heat. I'm going to add in some oil. along with the ground beef. And then using my spatula, I'm gonna go ahead and break up the meat. And I'm going to cook it until it's all nice and browned. This will take about 4 minutes. All right, so now that it is nice and browned, I went ahead and drained some of the excess liquid. Now I'm going to add a little bit more oil along with the diced onions and the diced potatoes and the minced garlic. Go ahead and give everything a stir here. I'm also going to give everything a healthy seasoning of some salt and pepper. I'm also going to lower the heat to medium, and I'm going to cook these down for about 5 minutes. And this is really a budget-friendly, inexpensive meal that the whole family will love. I mean, who does not love tacos? And I honestly think anything with ground beef and potatoes, it's gonna be good. All right, our onions are looking nice and softened. It is time to stir in our seasoning mix that the boys made. Get that well incorporated. All right, time to add in our tomato sauce mixed with water. And I'm gonna bring everything to a boil. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see how I like to serve these tacos up and what our favorite toppings are. You can also season it with a bit more salt and pepper if needed. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste to see if it's needed. Just a tad more. All right, so now that it has come to a full-on boil, I'm gonna lower the heat to medium-low. And then I'm gonna cover and cook it until the potatoes are nice and tender. This will take about 15 minutes, so see you guys in 15 minutes. All right, it has been simmering for 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and check on the potatoes and see if they're nice and tender. All right, I'm just gonna see if I can cut it easily with a spoon, and I can. So this is perfect, guys. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and I'm going to add in the shredded cheese. It's gonna get nice and melted. Just getting everything in there. Leave no shredded cheese behind. All right, so it is time to transfer it. All right, so in the broiler it goes until it's melted. All right, it is nice and melted. Time to serve this up. I went ahead and garnished it with some tomatoes and cilantro and sour cream. And there you have it, you guys. Beef and potato tacos. We're back, and I'm so bummed because we just did the taste test and I forgot to wear my mic, so the sound is off. But anyways, wasn't it so delicious? It was so delicious. Look, you guys, you guys missed it. He was doing the taste test and he loved it, and he finished the whole thing.
Oh,
Like
wait,
1
get
minute.
Another scoop. Get
Another scoop? Okay. And then, so,
I'm sorry myself.
you want another tortilla?
Yes, please.
Okay, I did not make fresh tortillas, and I would love to someday, but these tortillas from Trader Joe's are so delicious. They're called
But you
Truly.
forgot the mic.
I know, I forgot. It's called Truly Handmade Flour Tortillas, and I just love the texture of them. You wanna make another one on your own? There you go. And then I tasted mine. These are optional, but highly recommended toppings. I put diced tomatoes, I put some sour cream, and I put some chopped cilantro. Are you playing with fire over there?
I'm not playing with that.
Okay, careful, because they burn up. Hold on.
Holy.
Okay, careful, careful. But here, I'll do it.
Oh, shoot, okay.
Yes.
Is that it?
Can't forget to toast it over a flame. And then, here, I'll give you a scoop.
Thanks, Mommy.
He doesn't like the toppings, but I do. But they're so, see, this is his second one. Totally kid approved, I'm telling you guys. And yes, it's so delicious. I'll take another, you want to cheers and do another bite?
Yeah, hold on. I'm
Okay.
just gonna like mine.
I forgot to mention that I didn't show my new sweater here. It's AC/DC, and it's in honor of my kids because they love AC/DC, and they're like little rockers, right?
And my favorite song of AC/DC is Thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck. That's actually his walk-up song for baseball. He loves Thunderstruck. Bradley's over at hey, wait for see, he can't even wait for the taste test. Bradley's a little full because he had a bowl of oatmeal, so he's just gonna nibble on some cheese. All right, cheers, guys. For the second time with your second taco. We're gonna be eating this twice today. We're gonna eat this for lunch, and we're gonna stretch it out and eat it for dinner again because Aaron has a game today. But it's that good, the kids are not even gonna get tired of it, right? All right, thank you guys for spending time with us. The block of cheese is very bomb, he said.
No, this is
Sharp cheddar cheese. Bomber, is that a word? It is bomber.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you guys for spending time with us. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification.
I want to say subscribe.
Okay, go ahead. Like I mentioned, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe.
Like.
Oh my gosh, full mouth over there.
Like
Manners.
and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Are you gonna eat a third one?
It's good to like those too.